Now, the final part of demand elasticities we're going to touch on is simply if given the general formula for elasticities, if we want to find one component of those elasticity values, and we have limited information, for instance, we have information on the other two components, how can we derive the missing component? So for now, up to now we have own price elasticity of demand, which is percentage change in QX divided by percentage change in PX. We have income elasticity of demand, which is percentage change in QX divided by percentage change in income levels. And we have cross price elasticity of demand, which is percentage change in QX divided by the percentage change in some other good Y. So now let's assume now that we have, for instance, let's say we have a value for E sub x equals 3, for instance, and we have a percentage change in price of good X equal to 10%. Okay, so then what is the percentage change in quantity demanded? Well, plugging it into this equation, we would have 3 equals percentage change in QX divided by 10, which implies then that the percentage change in QX equals 30%. Okay, so this is what we mean. You can make, do neat little calculations with this if you have limited information. So let's go on to the second, income elasticity. Let's assume that we have an elasticity, income elasticity value of negative 4, and assume that we have percentage change in QX equal to 6. Okay, now what is the percentage change in income levels if I have this information? Okay, so we would simply plug it into the formula. Negative 4 equals 6 divided by the percentage change in income levels. Now, multiplying each side by percentage change in income and then dividing through by negative 4, we get percentage change in income levels equal to negative 6 over 4, which the last time I looked is approximately negative 1.5. Okay, which makes sense because again, if I take 6 and divide it by negative 1.5, what do I get? Negative 4. Okay. So you see where this is going. Just remember that if you're given some limited information about one of these components, you can always back out the value of the other component. Just to do one more. Let's assume I have, let's take cross price elasticity. Let's say I have a cross price elasticity value of 7. Okay, and let's say we have a percentage change in the demand for good X of 10%. Okay, what is the percentage change then in the price of good Y? Well, again, multiplying each side by percentage change of good Y, then dividing through by 7, we get percentage change in PY equals 10 over 7, which equals, well, I have to pull my calculator out for this one. Let me get it. Let's see. 10 divided by 7 is 1.43 approximately. Okay, and again, if I plug this back in and I say what is 10 divided by 1.43, well, I get 7. Okay, so just remember that these general formulas are useful not just in the conceptual sense, but also if I'm missing some component of these general formulas and I have the other two, I can back the missing one out.